The blue Pitta-Hydrornis cyaneus is probably the most common pitta found in Thailand. They are also present in other parts of Southeast Asia, China, and India. The birds have an orange-red hind crown and nape. They are light-colored below. The male has blue wings and the female olive-brown. The blue pitta will often call late in the day, choosing an elevated perch from which to vocalize. In the breeding season, the blue pitta will often respond to playback of their call. This is a typical blue pitta call, recorded in Tap Mok National Park, Thailand.